In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Gmail on Windows 11. This process is quite simple and allows you to access Gmail directly from your desktop or Start menu without having to open a web browser each time. To get started, you'll want to have Google Chrome installed on your computer, as this will be our tool for quickly turning Gmail into a convenient desktop application. First, go ahead and open the Chrome browser on your device. Once you have Chrome up and running, navigate to gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. If you're not, you'll see a prompt to enter your credentials. Go ahead and log in with your Gmail account details. Being logged in is essential because the process we're about to undertake customizes your experience to the account you're using. Now, with Gmail open in Chrome, take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. You should see a three-dot menu icon, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click this menu icon to reveal a drop-down list. This menu hosts a variety of functions, but for now, we're focused on the Cast, Save, and Share option. Hover over this option to make another menu appear. Here, you will need to find and click on Install Page as an app. This feature is a part of Chrome's ability to turn any web page into a standalone application. By doing this, you essentially transform Gmail from a simple browser tab into a desktop app, giving you easier access anytime you need it. Once you've clicked Install Page as an app, a pop-up window is going to appear. In this window, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to install Gmail as an app. Go ahead and click on the Install button. This is the final step in the installation process. As soon as you do this, Gmail will be added both to your desktop and to the Start menu as a newly installed application. If you followed these steps, you should now be able to find a Gmail icon on your desktop. Double-clicking this icon will launch Gmail in its own window, just like any other app on Windows 11. Similarly, you can locate it in your Start menu for easy access. This method streamlines your workflow by providing quick access without needing to open a browser first. And there you have it, a straightforward way to install Gmail as a desktop application on Windows 11. I hope you find this tip helpful and that it enhances your productivity and ease of access. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Gmail